In this video, we are going to explore on the Data tab, Data from Picture. We have two options. We have from picture or from clipboard, but I want to go from picture. When I'm consulting with people, quite often they show me a screenshot of their data, and it doesn't do me any good until I've found this little feature. This is the sheet that I created. Now these marks are all coming from individual sheets, so there's no formulas on here, but the data that's there is useful so that you don't have to re-enter it again. And so what I've done is I've taken a screenshot of that picture of this data. This is a screenshot of the data that I just showed you. Now I have taken a PNG of it and I have just cropped it down to just include the data that I'm interested in. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to import this data from the picture into my Excel sheet. Once again, I am on the Data tab and I go from Picture and then I select the file. And I'm selecting the picture, the PNG that I have created from the screenshot. Okay, then you have a dialog box that says Data from Picture and it's analyzing, and you go Insert Data. And it gives you a warning there, the items still need to review, but you're going to insert anyways. And so wherever your cursor is where it's going to put it. And if you look, we have the headings, but headings from the screenshot, but we also have the numbers. No more data entry. You can crop and copy and paste, but all the numbers are here. So that works perfectly. So let's try on the same application. Let's try data from Word. This is a screenshot or a PNG of my Word file. Now, all of these numbers have a tab in between. They're not in a table, and I'm going to try to import them with just a tab in between them. I'm on my sheet 2, and now I'm going to import the data from my the picture of my Word file. So I'm selecting Import from a file, and I'm selecting my Word picture. And once again, we have the dialog box coming up. And we're going to go Insert Data. And we're going to insert anyways. And so there you have your data entered from a Word file directly into your Excel sheet. This is very handy. It saves you a lot of data entry in some cases. So that is how you import data from a Word and an Excel picture. Please subscribe.